Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears bigger frozen. Start by rinsing gummy bears and placing them on a flat tray with space between each piece. Use a small amount of distilled water to mist surfaces, then freeze at a consistent temperature for about 30 minutes. Check texture periodically and avoid refreezing multiple times. Thaw briefly at room temperature before serving to retain shape and chewiness for best. Begin with clean hands and a tidy workspace to keep candies sanitary and easy to handle. Arrange gummy bears with at least 1 centimeter gap so ice can form evenly around each one. Use distilled water in a spray bottle for a fine, controlled mist that avoids flooding the candies. Freeze on a stable shelf to prevent sloshing and check after 20 to 40 minutes until the desired size is reached. Keep your freezer temperature steady and avoid opening it often while the gummy bears set. Short freezes of 20 to 40 minutes produce noticeable size increase without turning gummies into hard ice. If you want a glossy finish, try a quick flash freeze method, then let pieces rest on a rack to slightly sublimate excess frost. When ready, let them sit at room temperature for a couple minutes to soften before serving.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.